Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're subscribed to DAZN and want to cancel that pesky auto renewal for 2025, you're in the right place. Maybe you're cutting back on streaming costs or switching to another service. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and can save you from unexpected charges. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your DAZN account. You can do this on the DAZN website or through their mobile app. If you're on the website, head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. On the app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Once you're in, look for the Account Settings or Subscription section. It's usually straightforward, but if you have trouble, double-check the menu options. Next, navigate to the Subscription Details or Billing page. Here, you'll see information about your current plan, including whether auto renewal is turned on. Scroll down until you find the auto renewal toggle or button. It might say something like Manage Subscription or Auto Renewal Settings. Click on that to proceed. Now, this is the key step. You'll see an option to turn off auto renewal. Simply switch the toggle to off or click the button that says Cancel Auto Renewal. DAZN might ask you to confirm your decision, so read any pop-up messages carefully. They could remind you about upcoming events or offer discounts to keep you subscribed. Just stay focused on what you want to do. After you've confirmed, double-check your settings to make sure the change has been applied. You should see a message confirming that auto renewal has been canceled, and your subscription will end at the current billing cycle's conclusion. If you're on a mobile device, the process is pretty much the same, but ensure your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled auto renewal on DAZN for 2025. This way, you won't be charged unexpectedly, giving you full control over your subscriptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.